Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is October 8th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay. Palantir closed down 23 cents, 0.97% at 23.50. Post-market, we are down a further 11 cents. We have a red candle, almost as high as yesterday, and the low is pretty much even on 23.17. So let me see what's So the low of the day was at 23.11. So 23.17 is pretty good. Do I want to change it? Because I like it that it goes here. So maybe I should do something like this. Maybe this is a little bit better. But yeah, so let me just adjust it for fun. Here, 23.10. So that's 7 cents off. So maybe 23.10. Let's call it 23.10. This seems to fit what is happening a little bit better. Yeah, the stock did a big high here, close to 25, and then just went down again on the support. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. So on the 1 hour chart, this is looking a lot better. Huh? So this is the 930. Palantir had been going on this support here and broke this little triangle here, ascending triangle, but it did not go very far. So it stayed above 1 hour, 2, 3, 4, and 5 hours, started to get down 6, 7, was pretty much flat. With some wick at the bottom, there was some impression that it was going to keep going up. And it opened up quite higher, right smack on that support. It considered the support, then went higher, and something happened and things went flat. So let's go just for fun on the 5-minute chart. Okay. So this is what happened. So we opened right here on the 5-minute chart and then went super high. So things were going to pick up. So there was a definite possibility that Palantir was going to go up. And if we want to have some fun, this was the resistance that it had to break. It tried to break it, but then went below it, and then it started to fall. Too bad. It started to fall, and where are we? And then fell down towards 23.11, as we mentioned. And now during the last 4 hours, it's been picking up nicely. Let me just remove this part here. Let's look at Stochastic, how Stochastic behaved. Stochastic on the daily chart, 766 RSI still has not broken this resistance here. MACD super low and the MI super low also. On the daily chart, I would not get in on the daily chart until we see some recovery a little bit or some bounce. A MACD crossover would be nice, coupled with a Stochastic over 50. That would be nice, coupled with RSI over this resistance right here. So that would be enough for me to start thinking about going long. And then getting some confirmation on the DMI a couple of days after. That would be nice. And if you are a member of this channel, we are going to take a look at the weekly chart of Palantir and Tesla, and also the monthly chart, to try to see longer term where things might be going. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. I've already spoken to you about the YouTube member. It's only $5 a month. And we have a TradingView affiliate link if you want to use this professional tool and save some money doing it. I'm going to wish you a great weekend. It's going to be super nice this weekend. I'm going to go to this hilly place close to my hometown, and where there used to be monks or something like that. Then you can see the whole area, and it's going to be great. The colors are going to be best this weekend because the green color is still there. So I like it when there's still some green leaves coupled with all of the other colors. colors, yellow, orange, and red. So this weekend. After that, the green is going to go away. It's only going to be yellow and reddish, which is nice, but I prefer it when there's also a little bit of green. But who cares? Thank you very much for watching. Have a great weekend. We are going to talk on Monday or Sunday, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.